Hi guys, as you might already know if you watch my videos, I've got a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and if you have the same phone, you'll also know how challenging it is to find accessories that work well with this phone's form factor. So I've already shown you guys a great wireless charging car mount for this phone, but what about a wireless charger for your desk? Well, good news, I've found one. Whether you use flat wireless charging pads or wireless charging stands, the only way you can safely use them with the Z Fold 2 is in its folded form. Yes, it does do the job of wirelessly charging the fold, but it doesn't do it well enough. If you try and charge it unfolded, it's like walking on a tightrope for your fold. So here's a wireless charger I think you guys will really like. You can see it says 6-port USB wall charger with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. There's a magnetic flap on the box, so let me show you what you get. Here we have a 3-pin UK power plug, but it's also available with an EU, AU and US plug. So yeah, that's why it's called a wall charger. Finally, you have the wireless charger itself. Feels very solid and well constructed. It measures 130 by 80 by 75 millimeters and weighs in at just 280 grams. Here on the front, you've got the headline 6 USB ports. The first one is a quick charge 3.0 port with an output of 5 volts at 3 amps. The next 4 in green have an output of 9 volts at 2 amps. And finally, the USB Type-C PD port with an output of 12 volts at 1.5 amps. So basically 18 watts max, which should theoretically support charging your MacBook Air, but it's stated online it won't, so bear that in mind. There's no rubber grip at the bottom, which is certainly a shame, but as long as you don't put it on a wonky desk, you should be fine. Of course, at the front you've got the wireless charger with an output of 10 watts max. That's 5 watts less than what the Z Fold 2 can handle, but it's more than enough for fast charging. Around the back is where you'll find the port to plug in your supplied power plug. It does need to be plugged into the wall because this device can potentially charge 7 devices at the same time with an output of 5 volts at 12 amps. So that's a max combined 60 watts. Finally, also around the back, you have plenty of vents for really good heat dissipation. So why do I think this is the perfect wireless charger for the Galaxy Z Fold 2? Well, I can charge my phone unfolded without worrying it's going to fall over. Now, let's get something out of the way. When you charge the Z Fold 2 unfolded wirelessly, whether it's on this wireless charger or the car mount I recently did a video on, you have to place the phone with the camera facing downwards, as that's the side where the wireless charging coil is housed. This means that the volume and power buttons end up at the bottom and not accessible while you're charging. I wouldn't say it's the fault of the wireless charger here, more of a design flaw with the Fold itself than anything else, but to be honest it doesn't really bother me as I've got double tap to wake the screen enabled. This wireless charger obviously acts as a stand for the phone, so using it with my keyboard and mouse for work is great, or even playing games in this way means my Z Fold 2 is always charging. Of course, this wireless charger isn't just great for the Fold, it'll work with other phones if you're okay with charging it in landscape mode. Also, I love the fact that I can charge other devices while using the wireless charger, so it's very convenient. If you're interested, I'll place links to the product page in the description below. The charger also comes in white, so you've got some choice there. I purchased it myself from AliExpress for just over 20 quid. Just use PayPal to pay if you do use AliExpress. It took 15 days for it to get to me, so not too bad. Of course, it's also on Amazon. It's a bit more expensive on there, but I've placed links to both in the description below for whatever you decide. This has been Raju Rahman from Tectonic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please subscribe and like. That would really help me out. And don't forget to check out these other videos too.